Hello, klaro ninyo? Good evening.
Good evening, Doctor.
Ah, okay, thank you kayo. Okay, so we are now the application of the second order differential equation. So for the application of the second order differential equation, we have here mechanical vibrations and electrical circuits. Now, for the mechanical vibration, the study of motion of objects and the effects of forces acting on those objects. So, example ni kaning mass spring system, cantilever, and pendulum. Now, for the spring mass system, consider a motion of an object with the mass at the end of the spring. So, kani siya. Kani. That either vertical or horizontal on a level surface. So, in the case of vertical, mo ni siya ang figure 1. Kanina sa left side and the right side, mo ni siya ang horizontal on a level surface. Now, analyzing on the vertical, so consider an object mass is suspended from the spring and straight its length is. So atong bira di siya, the stress is when the spring comes to rest in equilibrium position. Now, according to Hooke's law, the tension force in the spring is K times S. So where K is what we call the spring constant and S is the distance. And the force due to pulling down on the spring, imo pa yun siya, kung nanay butangan na ito nag-wait diri, munaog pa yun na siya, then the force, gravity pulling down on the spring is mass times gravitational acceleration, and the equilibrium requires that K is equal to mg. So meaning, K is equal to mg. So the Hooke's law, the spring exert on a restoring force F opposite to the direction of elongation and proportional to the amount of ligand. So we have here the force acting on the object for the pressure, force on the piston, force on the kanisya sa mass M. We have here mass times gravitational acceleration. So that is the proportion force due to gravity. Now, your resisting force, that is equal to the spring constant times the sum S plus, kanina yun siya, S plus Y. Kani. Kani siya diri. S plus, kani. Gikan na mo, pag, kani siya. Kani Y. So, now, ang atong frictional force assume proportional to velocity, preminti yun siya against siya. So, that is delta dy times dx. So, the proportion force with F sub P pulls the mass downward, but the spring restoring force F is and frictional force muna siya ang kuan siya against siya sa direction, so pulls the mass upward. So the motion start with the mass vibrating up and down. So here by subdivision of forces vertical or the applying the Newton's law, the net force which is equal to F net or force is equal to F sub P, force is going downward or positive, ato i-consider nga tanan positive. So, unsa may mga positive dire kani din siya mo man siyang restoring force. Usa pa rin kani din imong frictional force. F sub P minus F sub S minus F sub R. So, by Newton's second law, you have here F is equal to F sub P minus F sub S minus F sub R. Now, kani siya F sa kang Newton's second law, your net force is simply equal to mass times acceleration. Now, we know that the acceleration is the second derivative of the distance with respect to time, so which is y. Atong gi-assume ang vertical distance is y. So meaning, mo ni siya, m times second derivative of y with respect to time is equal to mg minus ks minus ky, we know that your fs is equal to negative ks plus ky. So minus ks minus ky minus delta dy dt. Now, sa equation number 1, we know that ks minus mg is equal to 0. So, in this case, ang mahitabuan this one is, this one, may eliminate lang from equation number 1 equal to 0. So, ang nabilin karon ng equation equal to m times second derivative of y with respect to time, then transpose mo this because delta dy dt plus ky equal to 0. Of course, that is subject to the initial condition. When t is 0, y is y sub o. When t is 0, the initial velocity is equal to 0. So we have heard the remark, the nature of the vibration oscillation described by differential equation depends on the constant m, delta, and k. Now, kaning delta, this is known as the damping constant. The damping may be due to a damper such as a dustpot, internal damping such as friction within the spring, or external damping such as aerodynamic drag. Then the displacement y at any time, the mass is the output from the system. Now, for the free undamped vibration, so meaning simple harmonic motion, so meaning wala din at kung pre-undamped vibration, meaning your delta is equal to 0. So unsa may mabili na tong equation, simply equal to m, the motion is governed by m times second derivative of dy dt plus ky. Plus ky equal to 0. Now, here, in the second order, order homogeneous constant coefficient, omega squared is equal to q over m. So meaning kani siya, imo na siyang the whole equation divided by m, 1 over m. So that is q over m na din siya ba? Kani cancel mo ni 1 mo na siya. So mo na siya. Now we know that q over m is, we do note that that is omega squared equal to 0. So again, this is subject to when t is 0, your y is equal to y sub o. So naka-initial nga distance. When t is 0, the velocity is 0. So the auxiliary equation is simply equal to r plus omega squared, having the imaginary roots of r is equal to plus and minus omega. So the general solution to the differential equation is y sub t c1 cosine omega t plus c2 sine omega t. Substituting the condition, we know that when t is 0, your y is y sub o sa kanang condition. And c sub 2 is equal to 0. So the differential equation now is, our equation now is y as function of t is equal to y sub o cosine omega sub t. So to describe the motion, so the simple harmonic motion, the amplitude is t 2 pi over omega. So where omega is simply the square root of q over m. Then the general solution for equation number 3, note that the general solution to the differential equation 3, that is yt c1 cosine omega t plus c2 sine to kaniba kani siyang equation omega t can also be written as y sub t e cosine omega sub t plus theta. So here where omega is square root of k over m, that is muna atong tawag na to og frequency. So the frequency here wants to oscillate without external interference. Then the a is square root of kaning duha ka constant, sum of the squares of this constant, muna siya ang gitawag na to og amplitude. Then cosine theta C1 over A and sine theta C2 over A mo na siya atong phase angle. Now, for considering the damp motion, so mo na siya ang dagway sa kung sa motor pa class mo ni mo yung spring kani mo ni siya na dire ang damper. Kani siya dire. The damping force supplied by coil levers and a motorcycle suspension. So the motion of the spring is subject to frictional force in the case of horizontal spring, as shown sa figure 2, or damping force in the case where a vertical spring moves through a fluid. Now, so when you're consider the delta now, your imong damping. So muna itong equation M secant derivative of dy dt plus delta dy dt plus ky equal to 0. So if we substitute omega squared is equal to k over m, again ang 2b na to is equal to delta over m. So then the differential equation of 5 is karon secant derivative of dy dt plus 2b dy dt plus omega squared y equal to 0. So here the auxiliary equation is r squared plus 2br plus omega squared y equal to 0 with roots. So atong roots karon, that is r equal to negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus omega squared. Now, we now have three cases depending upon the relative size of b and omega. Now, kung kanimong b o omega equal na sila, then the double root of the equation is real and unequal. So, I mean, r equal to omega. So, the general solution is C1 plus T to T, then A raised to the power of negative omega T. So, the situation of this motion is called the critical damping. So, meaning it's not oscillatory. So, dili na siya mo, critical damping naman siya. So, dili na siya mo oscillate. Now, in the case of if your B is greater than omega, the root of the auxiliary equation are real and unequal by R1 negative B plus square root of B squared minus omega squared. And R2 is equal to negative B minus square root of B squared minus omega squared. So, the general solution to the equation is karon y sub t C1a negative b plus square root of b squared omega squared t plus C2 raised to the power of negative b minus b square root of b squared minus omega squared times this. Here again, the motion is not oscillatory because both kaning r nimo og r2 are negative. So, ang imong y ani approaches to 0 as time goes on. So, the motion is called overdamping. So sobra na gyud kayo. So katong usa critical damping. Now, kung ang imong B nimo is less than W, so the root of the equation are complex and given by R negative B plus and minus I square root of omega squared minus B squared. So here the general solution of equation is y sub t negative bt C1 cosine omega squared minus b squared t plus C2 sine omega squared minus b squared t. So, this situation is called underdamping, represent the damp oscillatory motion. So, muna siya ang the following plot that shows the typical curves of these three cases. So, kaning pula, that refers to the critical damping. Then kanimong pink nimo that refers to the overdamping. So kaning mga oscillatory diri mo ni siyang ang under kaning blue o blue o kaning black nimo ani siya. So of course dapat underdamping atong atong kung design ta dapat underdamping na siya. Now, it is analogous to simple harmonic motion of period kung ano mo ang period at is 2 pi over square root of omega squared minus b squared. But the amplitude is not constant but damped by the factor a to negative bt. So therefore, the motion tends to zero as t increases. Kita na nimo kung magka-increase ang t, antod kani siya diri, wala na dayon na siya dayo ang kanimo. Antod imong curve rin na state ani na siya. So the three example of the damp vibratory motion of the spring with friction, damper is not equal to zero. So this is how it looks like the critical damping. Muna siya ang imong overdamping, muna siya ang imong underdamping. So letter A, that is the damping, is just sufficient to suppress vibration. Ang letter B, kani siya, the strong damping force high viscosity oil or gas compared with weak spring or small time. Yan letter C, kani siya, muna ni siya ang atong the motion decays to zero as time increases. Now, so as you notice here, sa atong mga equation nato diri, ato nakita ang tanan natong ang atong differential equation, of course, atong nakuha nato ang complementary solution. Now, kung mo introduce na ta karon og non-homogeneous, so muna ni siya karon ang force vibration. So the force vibration, simply moment ka gani na ba, restoring force plus damping force plus kanila tang gidugang kaning external force. Now, the motion of the spring is now governed by the following non-homogeneous differential equation. So karon bali na to sa left side, n times secant derivative dy dt plus ky plus delta dy dt is equal to f times t. So the general solution kay na naman is no longer zero. This is non-homogeneous. So we're expecting that the general solution of this differential equation, we have here the complementary solution plus particular solution, where the complementary solution will be the solution to the free, damp, case, and particular solution will be found using undetermined coefficient or variation of parameters. So we have here note the complementary solution approach zero as t increases. Because of this, the complementary solution is called, muna gitawag na to og transient solution. The particular solution is often called steady state solution or force response. So meaning kaning transient, so sa amo pa ni sa kwan sa kwan pa ni siya unsteady state unsteady state ni siya. Or now the remarks here, the common occurring type of external force is a periodic force. So we have a function of t is equal to f sub o cosine omega sub o t, where f sub o is not equal to w, which is equal to square root of k over m. In the absence of damping force equal to zero, so muna niya itong equation. C1 plus cosine omega, dugangan lang na ito, f sub o over m omega squared minus omega sub o squared times cosine omega sub o squared t. So, pero kung mag-equal gani ang omega sub o w, then the applied frequency reinforce the natural frequency, the result of vibration of large amplitude. Then ang phenomenon ani is called muna siyang gitawag na to og resonance. Okay. Now, for example, na kay a mass of 2 kg is suspended from the spring with a non-spring constant of 10 Newton per meter. Unallowed to come to rest, it then set in motion by giving an initial velocity of 150 centimeter per second. Find the expression for the motion of the mass assuming no air resistance. Also determine the frequency, natural frequency and period of the simple harmonic motion. So ato lang na siyang kani siya nga example is kani siya naabay kwan diri undamp ni siya, so wala tay delta. So if there's no wala tay undamp siya, so we simply use this equation kani siya kani. So muna atong kanang wala may delta diya, undamp ni siya. So so we have here d squared. So ang imong kanimo kay kaman to, di ba? K over m. So K over m, so or K is 10 over 2, so muna siya diba, K over m man siya. So that is why muna siya 5y. So the roots of its characteristic equation kani siya is so we have here y sub t c1 square root of 5t plus c2 sine square root of 5t. So when t is 0, the position of the ball is at the equilibrium position. Ang imong sang y sub is 0, then applying the initial condition, imo ni siyang substitute ni mga condition dire. So RC1 is equal to 0, ba? So unsa man siya karon nabilin, so may imo na siyang wala naman ni siya. So ang nabilin y sub t is c2 sine square root of 5t. Now we know that the initial velocity is 150, this one 1.5. So what you're going to do, you're going to differentiate this one. That is unsa may differentiation ani first derivative ani or the velocity, that is square root of 5 times c2, the derivative ani is cosine square root of 5t. So substitute na nimo when t is 0, the velocity is 1.5, so solve na to ang c2 which is equal to 0.6708. So to simplify, so muna ni atong differential equation, differential solution equation, general solution. We have here 0.6708 times sine square root of 5t, so as the position of mass at any time t. So to solve for the frequency, that is the natural frequency, that is omega over 2 pi. So we have, and for the period, that is 1 over f or 2 pi over square root of 5. So we have 2.81 seconds. Now, another example for the undamp. So ito force vibration. A 10 kilogram mass is attached to the string constant of 140 Newton per meter. The mass is started in the motion from the equilibrium position with initial velocity of 1 meter per second in the upward direction and with the applied force of 5 times sine t. So find the subsequent motion of the mass if the force due to a resistance is negative. So nanatay tong resistance gihatag na. So ato lang i-substitute kani siya karon nga kani ato na ni substitute nato siya diri. So we have here of course atong primitive. So we have here 10 times atong mass na to m. So 10 times second derivative dy dt plus kani siya given naman ni siya 90 plus 90 dy dt. Basim kaingon mo og wala mo buta nganong negative nganong positive. Of course sa kabalo man ta nga ang resistance is always against the direction negative. So diri man siya speakers pagbuta mo ko ni mo ni diri speakers, sa pagbalin nimo may mo ni siya positive. Then plus 140y, then equal to atong force vibration which is equal to 5 sine t. So divide the whole equation by 10. So we have here second derivative dy dt plus 9 dy dt plus 14y and 1/2 sine t. So first, we are going to get first the complementary solution. So we have here equate this one to 0. So our roots is ang roots na to is negative 2 and negative 7. So the general solution, we have here C1 e to negative 2t plus C2 e to negative 7t. Now, using undetermined method of coefficient sa siya, so we have here 13/5. So muna ni imong particular solution, ba? Malo naman ta sa ato pagkuha sa particular solution. So muna ni siya diretso na ni siya diri. So 13/500 sin t minus 9/500 cosine t. So this is now the general solution. C1 e to negative 2t plus C2 e to negative 7t plus 13/500 sin t minus 9/500 cosine t. So applying the initial condition, when t is 0, when t is 0, now the initial velocity is going upwards, so meaning positive na siya. That is why negative 1 na siya. The initial velocity is negative kay pasaka man siya. So atong ato na siyang di ba, when t is 0, y is 0. When t is 0, your velocity is negative 1. So imo na siyang i-substitute, this equation in order to get C1 and C2. So ang imong C1 dire of course is negative over 500. Ang imong C1, ang imong C2 is 99/500. So muna ni atong length ani ba? Length ani niya. Kani siya, muna siya imong L. Oh. Now, we know that the angular acceleration is the second derivative of this angle. So that is second derivative of d theta with respect to time. Now, this give another differential equation na ang imong second derivative of dt minus equate mo siya. One is you're going to equate this one to negative or negative, add man siya ba? No. Negative g over L theta. So meaning ganing negative g over L kaning na calculator is why for small value theta, your sin theta is equal to theta. So, una na itong equation, d squared theta over dt theta squared is equal to negative g over L theta. Now, kani mong g over L, muna siyang ang g over L mo dire, kaning g over L mo, that is square root of g over L or omega squared g over L. So kani siya so bot pasabot ani kani siya muna ni siya omega squared ni siya. So atong equation na karon d squared theta over dt squared plus omega squared theta. So the equation of theta now, that's muna karon ang theta sub t, C1 cosine omega sub t plus C2 sine omega sub t. Kay combination imaginary man ni siya. So can also be written as A cosine omega sub t plus P, where now the angular frequency is omega squared of GL, so then the period is equal to 2 pi over omega, or 2 pi square root of L over G. So as a summary, the period and frequency of the simple pendulum depends only on the length of the string and the acceleration due to gravity. So the period is independent of mass. So for example here, na kay saan siya? Na kay kondiri, na kay pendulum. And 6 inches siya diri. Release at an angle 1/10 of a region from the vertical. From the vertical, ang sama itong vertical kani. Ba? Muna itong vertical. So, meaning, theta is equal to 1 over 10. At t is equal to 0. So, balik ta sa itong equation as kanina diretso ta, kani. Theta sub t C1 cosine omega sub t plus C2 sine omega sub t. Then our omega is simply equal to pila gani atong G over L. So G over L, so that is 32 over 0.5, so 64. Square root na siya. 0.5, 64, 32 divided by 0.5, so that is 64. Square root ana is 8. So meaning, ang atong general solution now is C1 cosine 8t plus C2 sine 8t. So, applyan nimo when t is 0, di ba? Initial na to. When t is 0, release from the wrist at an angle of 1/10 of a region from the vertical. So, when t is 0, pila man natong kanani. When t is 0, kuan nimo din ang your y is t is equal to theta is equal to 1 over 10. Ba? So the release from wrist, so at an angle of 1/10 per region from the vertical. So imo na siyang kuan karon, imo na substitute diya karon. So first imo makuha nini ang makuha nimo ang imong in order to get this C1 and C2. So atong gamiton ang mga initial condition. So pailain diri. Start from rest. So meaning atong velocity. So pila mo atong velocity diri? Yan theta kuan diri. Start from rest man. So start from rest, atong theta diri is when t is 0, atong velocity, atong angle na to, yung velocity is 0. So i-apply na nimo dire in order to get this C1 and C2. So makuha na to ang C1 and C2. So ang mabilin dire mawala, we know that kani imong C2 is 0. Kuhaon din na to atong C1 which is equal to 0.1. Adya ta nga. So i-expand eh. Okay. So karon premier kanina siya dayon pagkuha nimo sa pag-apply nimo ning velocity, imo ni siya i-differentiate, theta pila man ni siya, negative C1 C1 omega sin omega sub t. Atong omega na to 8 naman na siya. Plus kanina yon, unsa man ni siya? C2 omega cosine omega sub t. But this one kani siya 0 naman ni siya. Di ba? Dili. So, inani ang pagkuha nimo, pag-apply nimo aning when t is 0, ang imong velocity start from this one, ang imong angular velocity is 0. So, i-apply nimo dayon ni siya sa dili na siya 0 kung nato gay kon. So, i-differentiate nimo C2 W cosine omega sub t. So, first, imong i-substitute when t is 0, your angular velocity is 1/10. So, unsa may tabuan ni kani cosine 8t pila man ni siya, cosine 0 pila man ni siya. So, cosine 0 is 0, then kani is 0, and then your C2 pila man ni siya, kani siya 0 ni siya. So meaning wala ni siya, so meaning atong C1 nato is primero is 0. So when t is 0, so wala na kuha sa di mo ning kuha na sa din dire. Ang makuha din nato ang we know that our C1 is 0, so wala naman ni siya. Makuha din nato atong C2 which is equal to ang C2 nato dia which is equal to 0.1. So substitute din nimo dia. So muna din na siya ang sorry. When t is 0, 1/10, so dili ni siya. Your C1 is man ni siya 1/, nasa ako sang erase para maklaro. Sorry. Iyat lang balik ta. So atong equation dito na nato theta sub t is equal to kabalo man ta atong omega is square root of L over G over L. So J over L, 32 over 0.5, that is equal to, pila mo ni siya? Square root of 64, 8. So meaning mo ni siya ang may tabo na to, C1, substitute na mo na siya ni cosine 80 plus C2 sine C2 sine 8 something. So again, when t is 0, when t is 0, your theta is equal to 1 over 10. So substitute na ni mo dire 1 over 10 para makuha na to ning C1 o C2. C1 cosine of 8 times 0, so cosine 0, then plus C2 sine of kanisa 8 times t, which is 0, 0. So ang nabilin dire, this one is 1, this one is 0 na siya. So atong C1 is equal to 0.1. So no din yung buhaton niya na ato na siya i-differentiate na siya, P sub t, saan siya? Equal to negative C1 sine 8 times sine 8t plus C2 8 cosine, derivative ani is cosine 8t. So when t is 0, atong angular velocity, which is start from rest man siya. So bot pasabot ana, your theta sub p is equal to 0. So substitute na nimo siya dire 0, pila man siya dire. Atong negative, ang C1 nato is pila gani atong C1, 0.1. Imo na siya i-multiply ani, so 8 times sine 80, so 0 na siya. Kani siya C2 times 8C2 then 8C2 then cosine of 80, which is equal to 0. So atong C2 dire, kita na to, atong C2 na to is 0. So makita din nato dire, atong C2 na to is 0, substitute din mo, wala na ni siya, atong C1 is 0.1, so that is why mo ni atong general solution, theta 0.1 cosine 80. Now, in the case of this number 2, a 6-inch pendulum started with a velocity of 1 radian per second. So here, wala siya mang-start o 0, na siya 1 radian per second. Toward the vertical from a position 1/10 of radian from the vertical. So, unique siya. So, kung mao ni siya imong pendulum, kani siya toward the vertical, diri siya paingon. Katong kaganina, mura, kuan siya. So, what will happen now kung mo ni mong pendulum karon, paingon siya diri, what will happen to your imong theta, imong angular velocity? Kung mo paingon siya, so mo decrease kay gamay man imong diri. So that is why kani siya is negative mo na siya negative 1 radian per second. So mo na siya 1 radian per second from a position 1/10 of radian vertical. So atong theta is equal to 1 over 10. So palohon lang to nimo gyapon ni siya nga process. So mo ni atong motion, theta is equal to 0.1 cosine 80 minus 0.125 sine 80. So okay, so I think that's all for today. Nasi Lamberti. Hello. 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 Apay tao?
Na, sir, na.
Ay,
Eh,
Good evening, sir. Na, sir.
Ah,
Lamberte mo ko di mo kitawag, sir.
wala siya.
Tayo mo yung tingog.
Lagi kay palihog sa kung anong ta, kining siya ni. Ng mga nagpasita. Kinsa na ikon dia PC? Nasi. Siya na PC dia. Nasi ikon.
Screen cap na lang nato, sir.
O lagi, nanalo ko kuan hangyoon si kuan lang. Edit lang ah. Kadit lang. Si Marga dire. Antoinette na Bobadilla na. Hello.
Present, sir.
Pleo ko ikaw kuha be sa kuan. Pwede mo may screenshot. Pwede ra kuan. Marga. Hello, Marga, okay ra?
Hala, sir, nakaano, Robi ako, sir.
Kinsay kuan dire? Kinsay kabaloan ni dire be? Palihog ra ko.
Good evening, sir. Kanang, sir. Si Dayan, sir. Naka-screenshot ko, sir, pero via phone, sir, ang attendance, sir.
Oh, gwapo ang tatong kuan kay dako kayo ba? Sabi. Itsalain dire. Kabis dire. Sige
So, sir,
lang.
ako na lang, sir. Tara na ako, sir. Ha?
Oh, sige. Palihog ko, Engineer Datoy.
Ay, sir, ganing ka nang pangalan. Kay bas, kung ibutang, eh. Okay.
Sige lang, na pangalan o guway ngalan. Pwede na siya. Dua ka po.
Sige, sige.
Sunod at England. Ito na yung put. To oops lang. Kato na yung kuan, palihog ko o kuan, umana, katulan na yung kuan, i-upload na ito.
I-off daw ang video, guys, para makita ang name.
Sige, ako ikaw na pangalan.
Okay na. Okay na.
Okay,
Okay.
last na lang, sir. Last na lang, sir. Okay. Sabi ni. Okay, last na lang yun. Okay?
Okay, so thank you kayo.
Okay na, sir.
Sige, maghatag tayo ko umanon sa nako ni para mag-problem sheet din to rin. Sige, thank you kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.